Hello, today we are making the perfect potato salad sided with 3 eggs. Here's how to make it. First, we are gonna start with eggs because preparing them will take some time. This recipe is for 2, so we are going with 2 eggs. Go ahead and boil them for 7 minutes sharp, since we want the yolks to have slightly runny consistency. When 7 minutes is up, take the eggs out and put them in an ice-cold water to prevent them from further cooking. Next, in a pot, pour 4 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of vinegar. Then you'll need 1½ tablespoons of green or black tea leaves, 1 teaspoon of anise, 2 leaves of sage for a nicer smell, ½ teaspoon of ginger powder, and some lemon peel. Add the spices in the water. Also add some salt and bring them to a boil. Later turn off the heat and put the eggs in the spicy water mixture by creating cracks on the eggs with the help of a spoon. Set aside and let the eggs sit in this mixture for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, boil 4 medium-sized potatoes and cut them into bite-sized cubes. Next, get a pan and drizzle some vegetable oil. When simmers, add the potatoes. Season them with some salt and sear them until they crisp up on the outside. This step will give the potatoes a crunchy texture and a golden brown color. Then set aside and let them cool. Proceed to making the salad dressing, and in a large bowl add 1 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mayo, half of a chopped medium-sized purple onion, half a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1/3 a cup of chopped dill, and 1/3 a cup of chopped pickles. Give them a nice stir and season with some grounded black pepper, so that we can move on to the fun part, piecing all ingredients together. Add the potatoes in and combine them with the sauce by gently mixing. Then peel your eggs off carefully and cut them in half. Admire their beauty for 1 or 2 seconds. And onto the serving bowl the salad goes. You can slice some radish on top when serving. It gives a nice pop of color and an additional crunchy texture to the dish. Season them for the last time. And let the eggs join to the party. So it's ready to be devoured. And this is how you zhuzh up a dull dish like potato salad and make it into a bit more bougie. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked it. And tell us in the comments what would you like to see us make in the next videos. Until then, subscribe and be a member of our club.